Having already done my base makeup, eyebrows and primed my eyes with NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I'm starting with a light matte grey from the Sleek Brights matte palette called Crete and applying that with a fluffy brush to my crease and blending it upwards and outwards towards my brow bone. Then I'm taking a matte charcoal black and blending that from the outer corner and up through the crease. Then with a flat brush I'm applying a shimmering chrome silver eyeshadow from the Sleek Diamond Decade palette to my lid. Unfortunately this palette doesn't have any shade names, but the shadow I'm using is the third one on the bottom row. From the same palette I'm taking the light shimmering silver that is the third one from the top row, placing that in the centre of my lid for a pop of dimension. I'm then going back to that charcoal shadow to deepen the crease and help blend everything together. I'm then using an extremely pigmented deep dark black shadow called Blackout from the Sleek Storm palette and very lightly working that into my crease and being careful not to go too heavy handed with this so as not to turn this into a look that is something inspired by Heath Ledger's Joker. I'm then going back to that matte grey that I started with on a smaller blending brush and using that to buff out the edges and to soften the transitions between colours. With a smudge brush I'm running that dark matte black under my lower lash line, then blending it out with that charcoal shadow. If you're bordering on looking like a raccoon, then you're doing it right. With a black pencil, I'm lining both my upper and lower waterline. Then, having already curled my lashes off camera so I didn't pull out any of my eyelashes, I'm applying black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I of course then highlight pretty much everywhere with Obsession's Mega Lightning Highlighting Powder. With a soft pink blush, I'm using Golden Rose by Bourjois and applying a quick dusting to the apples of my cheeks and to the tip of my nose. Most people usually like to have the focus on the eyes or the lips, but I like to do both, so I'm lining and filling in my lips with a deep berry purple lip liner called Copenhagen. I'm then applying this Barry M lipstick in Black Cherry. I'm finishing off this look with a dark purple lip gloss called Morello.
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.